So in this video, we seek to find another expression equivalent to tangent of x plus pi over 2. And I'm kind of steering you in another direction for a reason here. We're going to use the identities for sine of x plus pi over 2 and cosine of x plus pi over 2. And the reason for that is, well, remember that tangent of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y over 1 minus tan x tan y. Well, if I plug in pi over 2 for y, weird things happen. So that's going to be here. Remember that tangent of pi over 2 is undefined. So we're not going to be able to use this identity to find that because I can't evaluate tangent of pi over 2. But we're going to go another way around. Remember that tangent of something is the sine of the something over the cosine of the something. So here, we're just going to find two separate things, and hopefully something simplifies. Otherwise, it's kind of useless to even do this problem. So remember how the sine of a sum works. The sine of a sum is the sine of the first times the cosine of the second, plus the sine of the second times the cosine of the first. And if we simplify that, well, cosine of pi over 2 we know is 0, which means this whole thing is 0. And we know that the sine of pi over 2 is 1, so this whole thing is equal to the cosine of x. That's interesting. Now, as far as cosine goes, let's look at the cosine of x plus pi over 2. Now remember, cosine of a sum is the cosines multiplied together minus the sines multiplied together. And here again, cosine of pi over 2 is 0, so this whole term goes away. Sine of pi over 2 is 1, so we end up with negative sine of x. And just like that, well, we know that cosine over sine is cotangent, so that means that tangent of x plus pi over 2 is the opposite of the cotangent function. And here's a challenge for you. If you graph y equals tangent of x plus pi over 2, which means you're shifting tangent to the left pi over 2 units, it's going to look exactly like the reflection of cotangent. So graphically, you could establish this as well. So hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and come on back for more.